What's up, guys? Mel here. Just wanted to do a little review on a Kickstarter project that I've been waiting for. This is the Danforce G1, not the Pro version, which I think the Pro just came with a few extra mounts and stuff, but we'll get to what's actually in here. This is, as I said, a Kickstarter project. One that I've been waiting for, I think, since, let's see, September. And it is now March 12th. So it's been September, October, November, December, January, February, March, about 6 months. I think it actually ended in October, so 5 months since the project got funded. It missed its deadlines. It was supposed to get here on December, but clearly it's March now. The communication hasn't been that great. I was expecting a tracking number in my email telling me when it was going to come, but I never got one, and next thing you know, I hear the doorbell and this is there at the door. So their office skills might be lacking, but what's important is I finally got it. It is here, and so I just want to do a quick review. I haven't seen one on YouTube yet. I didn't look super hard, but I figured I'd go ahead and make one myself. So this is the case that it comes in. It's a semi-hard case. Has one zipper, has a little carabiner, and a handle as well. Alright, so here it is. Comes with a manual. The manual seems kind of cheap-ish. Just because of the print that it has, it's not really super clear. That's fine. Here's a little Earn It sticker. I don't really care about that. And here we go. Here is the flashlight itself. The Danforce G1. Alright, let's see. So, well, that's nice. Yeah, so it has that feature for focusing, and it actually clicks. That's pretty cool. Doesn't look like it is charged. Alright, so I don't know if you can see very well. This looks to be the charging port for it. Right there. And it has a removable clip. So if you don't want the clip, you can take that off. Oh, okay. Alright. So there's just a little piece of plastic or paper. Alright, so these actually look to be powered by these kind of batteries. Let's see. These are 18650 rechargeable lithium ion batteries, 3.7 volts, 3200 milliamp hours. Alright, and these do look to be MS Force brand. I'm not sure if that's part of Danforce or not. Alright, let's see. And there we go. Alright, so this is supposed to have 6 different modes, I think. Let's see. There is high, medium, low, economic, and strobe and SOS. So I think this is high. There. Let me dim the lights. Okay. Woo. So that is pretty bright. And it does focus with the clicks, which I think is pretty cool. I like that. High, medium, low, economic, which I think is like 10% or something, strobe, and SOS. Alright, right here, this is the little light dispersion dome. I'm not sure what they call it. Lantern cap. They call this the lantern cap. And this goes right on top of here. And there you go. We'll dim the lights again. Alright, I don't know if you can tell on camera or not, but if you are focused real far, it will be less bright than if you have a wide field of light. So that seems pretty bright. I could definitely maneuver around a camp at night with that. Alright. This is the extension. Goes right here somehow. Let's see. And this is supposed to prolong your battery and also make the light a little bit stronger. Alright, so this is also just another battery, and this is just a little tube that houses it all together. And there you go. So this is supposed to be brighter. I don't know that I would actually know the difference. I don't have anything to measure it, but I will take their word for it that it is brighter until I decide to get some sort of light measure apparatus of some sort. So that does work. This bottom half is also supposed to be what you can use to charge your phones or other devices. So we'll go ahead and give that a shot. I am a little bit disappointed that you can't have the whole unit together and also have the charge, because the charging capabilities actually takes a spot of where your power button is. So it's either one or the other. I have my phone over here. So this has a micro USB and a regular USB port. And let's see. Oops. There you go. As you can see, it is charging. So that's pretty cool. Each battery is supposed to be 3200 milliamp hours. So I believe that would bring at least a full charge to most phones. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments or something. But yeah. This also comes with a little compass up here on the other side. I don't know how useful that actually is, but it's there. Another one of the features that it comes with is these light discs. I'm sure there are lots of different technical reasons why you would want a red or green light. I don't really know why you would want them. I think the red light is easier for your eyes to adjust or something. Who knows? But we can go ahead and test those out. There you go. Red light. Also red lantern. Seems a little bit orange, but orange or red, pretty close enough. We'll also go ahead and try the green one. There we go, nice and green. Pretty cool. Alright, so this also comes with some straps and a couple of mounts, or I think one mount for the one that I got. This right here is the handlebar mount. Not really sure what else there's to say about it except that it's a handlebar mount. So that is pretty useful if you want to go biking at night or something. Alright, right here is a lanyard. And I believe there is a, right here, there is a exchangeable end for that. So you can either have a wrist strap or you can have it around your neck as a lanyard. That's nice. And right here is the charger for it. So there's the charging cable, so you should be able to charge the flashlight directly. We'll go ahead and try that. I will say that this did not come with a wall charger. This was just the USB cable. So I'm just going to be using a standard Apple wall mount, and we'll go ahead and give that a shot. Alright. So it is blinking. I'm not sure if it was supposed to blink there, but there is a green blinking light right here, and there's a red slow blinking light right over there. And let's see what it says about those. Okay, flickering red light, it is charging. Green light, fully charged. So, okay, there seems to be some issues. I'm not sure if that is with my wall mount or if it is with the cable. But from what I understand, the red light is supposed to stop blinking, and it's just supposed to be a green light once it is fully charged. Alright. And for those of you that want to charge both batteries, because it does say that you should not have both of the batteries connected when you charge it. So if you want to charge both batteries, so like right before your trip, it also does come with a battery charger right here, and those just fit right in and plug into the wall. Okay, so this actually does not have the wall prongs on the unit. It actually has an insert for the micro USB. And it is labeled as 5 volts DC in, and so there you go. So that does charge both batteries. Alright. Lastly, what I wanted to try out is comparing it with this little flashlight that I got off of Amazon some time ago. I think it cost about maybe $30. And it uses a similar battery in size. And let's see. So this uses a 18650 also. This one is a 3000 milliamp hours versus the 3200 milliamp hours, and they are also both 3.7 volts. So theoretically they should be about the same strength. I have a full battery for that, and we'll go ahead and test out their brightness and see the difference. Go ahead and dim the lights. Alright, so first off we're going to do the G1. And I think that was, yep, That is on high. And now we're going to do the other off-brand one that I got off of Amazon. And this is its high. It also has a focus as well. Right off the bat, it does seem to be a little bit brighter. Or the Danforce does seem a little bit brighter, the G1. I'll have a side-by-side. It is definitely wider, that is for sure. On the left is the other flashlight that I got off of Amazon. The one on the right, the G1, seems to have a little bit more of a yellow tint versus the very blue tint off of the other one on Amazon. I think I actually prefer the G1. And the G1 does look to be brighter. So there you have it. In conclusion, this does seem to be a very heavy-duty, nice flashlight. It's definitely a lot pricier than this one. Let's see, on Kickstarter, I got it for... I got two, actually, for $140. So that's about $70 each. And this says save $59 or save $60 total. So this is going to be retailing for about $100 versus this, which I got about for $30. But this comes with a lot more features. I definitely like the extendability of the battery life, and this is probably one of my favorite things about it, is this little lantern extension on it. So yeah, there you have it. If you happen to have ordered this off of Kickstarter and you are waiting for your order, hang in there. It looks like they will still deliver, although they might not tell you when it will get delivered. It looks like they are, in fact, legitimate and are going to deliver your product. So hang in there. For those of you that didn't order it off of Kickstarter, I don't know if this will actually make it into retail, but be on the lookout for it if you're interested. So yeah, there you go. The Danforce G1 flashlight.